My guy.
I go on.
You know, say if I dey vex to keep person go dey hungry me. And I don't promise just say I no fit throw any blood again. But if you calm me down now, now a very good motivational speaker.
Now that one,
Of course.
you no get problem. As I dey here like this, I have a good motivational speaker, a professional one. If this guy talks to you, your spirit will calm.
My guy, you mean my guy, I trust you.
Ta, mami me wuli ife.
Asaba.
I just bought algia. Let me go and get it. You me wuli ife.
Life is like a market square. Ụfọdụ na-eti, onye na-ego. Why some people are shouting, onye na-ele. You be mumu. Life is like a primary school. When you hear getting, it is either break time or na school abasago.
You are a mumu man.
Life is like the breast of an old woman.
Chai!
When she is running, you will be hearing epata. Life.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up, man. Who sent you? Oga, who sent you?
All motivational quotes can be.
I resemble old mama to you. You know, see, if I dey vex to kill they go hungry me.
Because no, don't
To kill go dey hungry
Don't
me.
kill.
I don't promise just say I no go kill again.
Don't-
Why you come dey
Don't kill. I'm not pushing. I did more and I'm up. I did not push you. Because, don't kill. Okay, let me give you this last one. This last one.
You mean
I mean,
I stand up.
thank you.
But if I no like my guy will go buy you.
You go like him.
I go like
You go like him.
Oh, yeah, drop
Life is like a motor park. Some people are shouting, Anaga. Others will be shouting, Kaobanye.
You be mumu, you call other people mumu.
God.
They never show you say you be mumu.
God, I promise you, say I'm not go kill again. But this one is the last one. Okay?
Huh?
Say your last prayer.
Hey! Life. What a life.
Shot by the Gardner Victoires.